Alright everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video, we are doing a nighttime POV in the mini JCW F56 edition. And yeah, we're going to get right underway. We got Curry's car park right here, which is the starting location. So let's put it into drive, handbrake off, and let's go. It's been a while since we've done a POV, so I thought why not switch up and do a little bit of a nighttime one. Let's not be boring, let's put it straight into sport mode. So if you're new to the channel and you've not seen a JCW before, or you don't know much about them, then this is my F56 Mini John Cooper Works. It's got 230 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 6.1 seconds with the automatic gearbox, which is what we have here with the flappy paddles, and it does 6.3 seconds to 60 if you have the classic manual. But as I say, we have the automatic today with the paddles. And if you can't tell already, this exhaust is not stock. The car does sound great stock, but this has had the resonator taken out of it, so it sounds a bit louder. Oh, that noise does not get old at all. We're 27.6 mpg, that's what it says there, and I drive this thing pretty quick. This thing is insane. Gets up to the speed limit so quick. It's my mate in his little C1. I thought it was when I overtook him. With the amount of power this thing has. Oh, what's this geezer doing up my inside? No thanks. Yeah, see you later. Goodbye. Oh god, they're all going left. How are we going to navigate this? And 70. This thing is nutty. 6th gear, boom. Gunshots out the back of the car. Handles so well, this thing. Let's put the windows down. Oh, what was that? I think that was an A45 or a CLA 45. I'm not sure, I didn't see it. Windows up. God, the way it just darts around. Put the window down again. Show you some of the cornering. I mean, look at that. Around here. I mean, bro, that is mental. Like the spit, I mean, it could go even faster if it wanted to. For anyone wondering, it's not actually that late. Oh, the pops are interrupting me. Anyone wondering, it's not actually that late. It's only 9 PM, so it's not like it's midnight and I'm tearing past these houses. So, I mean, it's 9 PM. It's not that late. The lights are still on. Oh my god, that is addictive. 2nd gear. Just let it off at like 5,000 RPM and explosions happen. Oh my my god, that is why I go through so much fuel, is I am always doing that. Through built up there. The farts through the upshifts as well. Oh my god, I love them. Mate, I'm not DMO DJ of his upshifts. Whew. This is a brilliant car for this country in the UK. It is so amazing. Listen to that. Them upshifts. I hope you can hear me because it's windy with the window open, but I can't help it. Right, here we go. What the hell? My window didn't go up. Another country road like this, like I say, it just handles so well. But yeah, everyone, that is going to be it for this POV drive. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe down below. And like I say, leave any comments down below what you want me to do to this car modification wise, because we are doing it up. This is not going to stay stock, this car. So yeah, let me know what you guys want down below. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.